This is a research project I'm doing to help jumpstart the API and open data conversations at the University of Oklahoma. So I spidered their website and pulled out what I consider low-hanging fruit for tables, spreadsheets, and XML files that are spread around their site. And but that's not what I want to showcase here. I want to talk about the format in which I contain this project. So all of my projects run as GitHub repositories. So this is a GitHub repo running Jekyll for the site layout and for all the page and management and everything. So this is all underneath my university API work, which is available at university.apievangelist.com. But the project itself, what's important about it, I think, is that it's a homepage that lists out the project, tells what's going on, and any links to relevant data being that's part of the research. And so there's that homepage, and then I use the Jekyll blog for what I consider updates. So rather than just using it as a blog, it's a story of how all of this is working, and so you can actually surf the site and understand what's happened. And then the other part is the third place is I have a discussion area, which this is all just driven from GitHub issues from the GitHub repository. So when you click on it, you actually end up at the GitHub repo listing two open issues. And all I do is just use a little bit of JavaScript to connect to the GitHub API and list these out. So if you want to submit a new issue, you can click it here, submit a new issue as part of the conversation. But that's really it, really, as a self-contained project research area where all the files, all the data for the research project exists in this one repository. It has a public website. It has a place for updates so people can stay in tune with what's going on with the project and research, and then active discussion around the project or research. But using this is a basic project format that I use across the API Evangelist network.